In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly write fractions in Notion. This trick makes your notes, projects, or documents look more professional and easier to read. First, open your Notion page and type /math. You'll see two options: block equation and inline equation. Use block equation if you want the fraction to stand on its own line. Use inline equation if you want it to flow within your text. For example, if you type fraction 1 and 4 in a block equation, you'll get a clean 1/4 displayed neatly on its own line. If you use the same command inside an inline equation, the fraction will blend right into your sentence without breaking the flow. That's it. With just a few keystrokes, you can add clear, professional-looking fractions to any Notion page. Try it out and give your notes a polished, mathematical touch.